Now, you may think when I said at the end of the last video, that's it from Automechanika Birmingham 2025, see you next year at the UK Garage and Body Shop event, that would be it. But having looked back, with so much content coming from the show, I thought I'd put out an extra video to bring you a bit more of what went on during the NEC over the last week, catch up with a few more people, and give you a glimpse into what the show provided, what you could expect from next year's UK Garage and Body Shop event, and Automechanika Birmingham 2027 when that lands in June.
Yeah, so we are here to bring to the market some of our new products. Behind you now we've got the IA1000, which is a digital ADAS solution. Combined with that we've got the IA900, which is a combined ADAS wheel alignment solution. We have some new EV products out to the market. We have over on the stands over there, we have the Ultra S2, is our new top level diagnostic tool. And we have brand new to the market the 908 S3. Yeah, so just to give people a bit of an insight as to what we do, who we are as a team, what Autel are as a backup team as well, and just to sort of, yeah, just meet the guys that have already got the diagnostic tools, meet some people that might potentially be interested in buying diagnostic tools for the first time, and yeah, just getting to know the people that are using it. It's been really good. The quality of people that we're talking to has been really high. Lots of already Autel users looking to potentially purchase newer models. Lots of people discussing security gateways, which is a bit of a buzz in the motor industry at the minute. And we have some new customers as well that are looking to sort of move over from Autel, just to see what we are about at Autel UK. Yeah, Autel are really good at innovating new diagnostic tools, and it's about getting those out to the market, getting people aware of what those new tools can do, supporting the tools that we already do as well, and yeah, just trying to move the company forward to move with the already expanding motor industry.
Well, we are doing the standard BM awareness, obviously just promoting the fact that we are the UK's leading hot end emission product manufacturer, and pushing that into Europe as well. So we have the highest car park availability. But of course we are promoting the Garage Pro and Rewards Pro schemes as well. So we've had a lot of mechanics, technicians join us on the stand, and it's just great to talk to them, communicate with them sort of directly about the parts that they're fitting, and how we just want to help them effectively open that line of communication, so they can come straight to us with any issues or anything like that, but also just support them, help their teams become more qualified effectively, especially with the Garage Pro scheme. Just showing them how the platform works, how they can use it to sort of better their team, and just help I think younger mechanics, because I think that's the trend of the show effectively, help them sort of really improve their skills, and join us on stand to learn more about the brand. It's been very, very busy, and I credit a lot of that to the new marketing exec, Joe. He's sort of had a project of a spin the wheel, you've probably seen it. So we've had crowds of people sort of queuing up all the way down the walkway, and we had the amazing Brad Monks on the stand as well. So yeah, it's been non-stop, very busy, but it's just a great opportunity to talk to many different people that otherwise you don't normally get to talk to. And we can go with the typical BM way of we are incredibly talkative, especially if you bump into Paul Beach on stand, you'll probably not leave for about an hour. But no, it's great. It's been a great event, full of great people, and we're just planning the next one now. So.
Automechanika Birmingham is a fantastic show, but how does it feel for a first-timer to the industry to be attending such a prestigious event?
It's been amazing, to be honest. Everything about it, from the people that I've met, the stands, the things going on, the games behind the scenes. I mean, our spin the wheel that's behind you right now, it's been an absolute pain, to be honest. But the amount of merch we've given away has been amazing. But the connections are the best thing about it. Already I'm starting to recognise faces, and I've only been here for a month and a half, so it really is good so far. Coming around here, I was a bit in awe, really. looking around in all these stalls. But seeing new people, like I said, meeting faces that I've perhaps seen before, it was just really good. Because the more connections you have, the further you can go, and the more people can help you, and the more you can help them, and then before you know it, you're just one big automotive family.
Actually, the show's been really, really good. 2 years ago I was here, and it was good, but I'd say it's a lot busier. I think the footfall's been up on 2 years ago, and I would say just the quality of the stands and just overall presence here has been excellent. So this year, obviously, at the tail end of 2024, WAI made a large acquisition of PSH Group. And so we are introducing here both brands, which is the Plus line alongside the WAI. So that's been our sort of introducing it to customers. The last 6 months we've been integrating the two businesses in the UK and across Europe. And so it was a great opportunity to come here and show all the new products that we now have to offer. So the integration has been great. I'd say from the people, it's very much of a culture. So WAI and PSH, we've known each other for many years, and it's worked really well. So bringing the sales teams together, looking at the warehousing, so rationalising some of that. But overall, yeah, it's been a great success, and I think from our customers' point of view, they can now see that WAI has brought now extra products, and yeah, we're harmonising the offer.
So we're on the final day of Automechanika Birmingham. We're an exhausting couple of days, and lots of visitors to our stand. Lots of intrigue in some of our new product portfolios. So we've been proudly showing off our new braking portfolio, which you can see behind me. And it's a crowded marketplace, and we're very intrigued to find distributors to work with us to take this product to market. We've had lots of compliments about the stand, the fact that it's very accessible, but also the type of products that we're showing. We've tried to make it as relevant as is possible to try and capture the imagination of everybody that visits. You know, there's lots of different types of visitors to Automechanika, whether it's buying groups, motor factors, the press, or college students and various other people. So we've tried to make it as relevant as we possibly could.
Now, there's a fair few racing cars in the halls around the NEC, including this 2014 Ferrari on the Shell stand. And there's also a fair few motorsport personalities around as well.
It's been amazing working with Duckham's. The start of this season has gone exceptionally well. There is a rich heritage within the brand, not only as a business over 125 years, but also in motorsport. So for me, I'm following in the footsteps of Dan Camish and Adam Smalley, who've won the championship in the Porsche Carrera Cup before. So to be donning their colours and representing the iconic Duckham's livery is something really special, and hopefully, we've kicked off on the right foot, winning at Snetterton. But it's been great working with the brand. It's great to be here at the show, representing the brand on the stand, but also with the car and showing people what my world's all about as well. Yeah, we've had 4 races so far. So an 11th, which was a bit of a difficult start after a bit of a turbulent qualifying. A pair of 6th places, and then a win in the last time out at Snetterton. So Yeah, the season's going really well. It's my first year in Carrera Cup. I'm learning all the time, and to be winning this early is a great testament to how quickly we've been able to learn. So, yeah, long may it continue, and hopefully there's many more wins to come throughout the rest of the season.
Yeah, so it's my first ever Automechanika here at the NEC Birmingham with Snap-on Tools. Yeah, it's been an amazing day so far. Really cool to see so many amazing household brands that you know and love that are here. Yeah, really interesting sort of B2B conversations going on. And yeah, just amazing to be a part of it. It's great to see so many international traders here as well. And, you know, really get a sense that the automotive industry is on the increase. So, yeah, great to be here. Great to see so many amazing brands and people. And, yeah, looking forward to the next one. Having reliable, you know, products to work with, brands to work with as well is crucial to us, especially in the racing industry. You know, we need to rely on good quality products on the car and strong brands to back it up as well. So, yeah, great to see so many companies that we work with and use their parts here at Automechanika to build our cars, and also, yeah, brands to rely on.